Ndabahaye mwiriwe mwese nshuti banywanyi bacu mwebwe mubana natwe mu biganiro n'amakuru tubatunganiriza ngaha kuri Iyakure TV. Iyakure TV ni imbonesha kure imwe rudende ibashitsa ko amakuru yizewe, amakuru atosoye, amakuru aba yatohojwe n'itsinda ry'abamenyesha amakuru b'inzobere mu karere k'ibiyaga binini, maze tukayabashikiriza mu buryo bwihuse. Turi kwigenekerezo rya 7 ukwezi kwa 7 umwaka w'ibihumbi 2025. Niba utarakanda kuri subscribe, aka ni akanya keza ko kubikora. Wibuke rwose ukande no kuri like ndetse usangiza abandi ibiganiro byacu. Muri kano kanya turababwira ko ibintu bikomeje kudogera mu buseruko bwa Congo. Abarwanyi ba M23 barimo gukozanyaho n'abasirikare b'u Burundi mu micungararo y'igisagara cya Uvira. Imirwano irakomeye ndetse igisirikare cya Congo cyazanye abandi bacancuro benshi muri kariya gace. Muri aya makuru yacu kandi turababwira ko Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Congo yongeye guteguza u Rwanda ko izarugabaho ibitero. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo bwavuze yuko nyuma y'iminsi 90 buzatangiza intambara ikomeye ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda nikiba kitaravana abasirikare bacyo ku butaka bwa Congo. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo buravuga yuko buzatangiza intambara ikomeye mu karere k'ibiyaga binini, ndetse ubutegetsi bwa Congo bukavuga ko nyuma y'iyi minsi 90 intambara ikomeye cyane Congo izayishoza ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Ibingibi byavugiwe mu nama y'abaminisitire yabaye mu cyumweru giheze. Mu nyandiko yagiye ahagaragara ku mbuga ngurukana bumenyi herekanwamo ko ubutegetsi bwa Congo buzatangiza ibitero ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Nyuma yaho ibintu bitangiye kugaragara yuko Congo idashaka gushyira mu ngiro amasezerano ya Washington. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo bwihakanye izi nyandiko ndetse buvuga ko izi nyandiko ari fake news. Nyamara amakuru yizewe aremeza ko izi nyandiko ziri authentique, ni inyandiko za nyazo ziri genuine, ndetse amakuru akemeza yuko Kisekedi yamaze kubwira abasirikare biwe gutegura ibikoresho n'abasirikare ngo bazagabe ibitero ku butaka bw'u Rwanda, mu gihe ngo iminsi 90 yashira abasirikare b'u Rwanda batavuye muri Congo. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo ndetse n'umuryango w'abibumbye bavuga yuko u Rwanda rufite abasirikare muri Congo. Ni ibintu u Rwanda rwahakanye inshuro nyinshi, ahubwo rukavuga ko rwashyizeho ingamba zo kwirinda ku mipaka y'u Rwanda na Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Congo. Biragaragara rero ko amasezerano ya Washington yatangiye kugonga urukuta. Congo irimo gutegura intambara ndetse iravuga yuko uko bizagenda kose mu minsi 90 u Rwanda nirutavana abasirikare barwo muri Congo, nta kabuza urugamba ruzambikana hagati y'u Rwanda na Congo. Iby'iki cyuka cyakwega nkwege ndetse no kurebana y'ingwe hagati y'u Rwanda na Congo nibyo tugiye kugaruka ko muri aya makuru yacu. Ndakwibutsa ko ari ingenzi gukanda kuri subscribe ndetse no gukanda kuri like ndetse ugasangiza abandi ibiganiro byacu. Ubungubu rero ibintu ntabwo byoroshye mu karere k'ibiyaga binini nk'uko nari mpejeje kubibabwira mu mfunyapfunyo. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo burimo gukora irya nino, burimo kugura indege z'intambara ndetse burimo kwinjiza abasirikare benshi. Hari abakomando ndetse n'abacancuro benshi bakomeje kugera mu buseruko bwa Congo, ndetse bikavugwa yuko barimo gutegura intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Iyi ntambara Congo irimo kuyitegura mu gihe nyamara ubutegetsi bwa Congo bwasinye amasezerano y'amahoro n'igihugu cy'u Rwanda. Ni amasezerano yasinyiwe i Washington muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Aya masezerano avuga yuko ubutegetsi bwa Congo bugomba guhumbahumba inyeshyamba za FDLR, ndetse ubutegetsi bwa Congo bugakora ibishoboka byose imitwe yose irwana ikava ku butaka bwa Congo. Aya masezerano kandi ateganya yuko igihugu cy'u Rwanda nacyo kizavanaho ingamba zacyo z'ubwirinzi, ndetse ubutegetsi bwa Congo bukavuga ko izo ngamba nta zindi ari abasirikare b'u Rwanda bagomba kuva ku butaka bwa Congo. Mu gihe rero abantu benshi bibwiraga yuko aya masezerano ya Washington ashobora kugarukana amahoro hagati y'u Rwanda na Congo, ibintu ntabwo ariko bimeze. Biragaragara yuko iby'aya masezerano byaba byararangiriye imbere ya Perezida Donald Trump, kuko aya masezerano nta cyizere na gikeya arimo gutanga. Uruhande rwa Congo ruravuga yuko rurimo gutegura intambara, ndetse mu byanditse muri aya masezerano nta na kimwe ubutegetsi bwa Congo buratangira gukora. Congo yagombaga gutangiza urugamba rwo guhumbahumba inyeshyamba za FDLR. Ibingibi ndabamenyesha ko rwose ari ibintu bidashoboka. Ntabwo ushobora gutandukanya FARDC na FDLR kuko bamaze kwihuza. FDLR yamaze kujya muri FARDC, babaye igisirikare kimwe, ndetse zimwe mu nyeshyamba za FDLR zinjiye mu bakomando bacungera umutekano wa Tshisekedi. Ibingibi rero ni ibintu bikomeye cyane kuba watandukanya FDLR na FARDC. Ibi ntabwo bizakunda, ndetse Congo ntabwo izabikora. Nubwo yatangaza ko yabikoze ndetse igakora za operasiyo za nyirarubeshwa, ntabwo yabihumbahumbye FDLR, ahubwo yaba yayikingiye ikibaba kuko FDLR zirindani muri FARDC. Iki ngiki kikaba ikimenyetso cya mbere cyerekana yuko aya masezerano ya Washington atazashyirwa mu bikorwa. Mu gihe kandi FDLR izaba ikiri ku butaka bwa Congo, u Rwanda rwo rwamaze gutangaza ko ingamba zarwo z'ubwirinzi zizagumaho, ndetse ko ruzakora ibishoboka byose kugira ngo umutekano warwo ukomeze kuba nta makemwa. Ibintu rero byongeye kuba bibi cyane nyuma y'inama y'abaminisitiri yabereye i Kinshasa, aho inama y'abaminisitiri mu butegetsi bwa Congo yavuze yuko nyuma y'iminsi 90 u Rwanda nirutavana abasirikare barwo ku butaka bwa Congo, nta kabuza ubutegetsi bwa Congo buzatangiza intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo buvuga yuko iminsi 90 ihagije kugira ngo u Rwanda rube rwavanye abasirikare barwo ku butaka bwa Congo. Ibingibi rero biravugwa mu gihe u Rwanda narwo rusaba ubutegetsi bwa Congo guhumbahumba FDLR. Amakuru atugeraho akavuga yuko Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika zikomeje gushyira igitutu ku butegetsi bwa Congo ndetse n'ubutegetsi bw'u Rwanda kugira ngo bashyire mu ngiro aya masezerano. Gusa biragaragara yuko amasezerano ya Washington ntacyo azageraho. Abikweza ivya politike ndetse bakagendera ku birimo kugaragara ku rubuga rw'imirwano baremeza neza ko aya masezerano yamaze kugonga urukuta. FARDC na FDLR barimo gukorana, ndetse igisirikare cya Congo kirimo kuzana indege nyinshi, kirimo no kuzana abacanshuro bavuye mu gihugu cya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika n'abavuye mu bihugu bya Colombia. Aba bacanshuro bose barimo kugera mu buseruko bwa Congo, kandi umugambi wabo ngo ni ugutangiza intambara yo kwigarurira umujyi wa Goma, kwigarurira Bukavu, ndetse ngo bagatangiza intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Aba bacanshuro rero biravugwa yuko ubutegetsi bwa Congo bwabazanye hari mu mugambi ukomeye cyane wo gushotora igihugu cy'u Rwanda, dore yuko Tshisekedi yagiye abitangaza kenshi ko azashoza intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Mu nyandiko yagiye ahagaragara ku mbuga ngurukana bumenyi yerekana ko inama y'abaminisitiri muri Congo yemeje ko nyuma y'iminsi 90 igisirikare cya Congo kizatangiza intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Nyuma y'aho abategetsi ba Congo babonye ko bakoze ishyano bakavuga ko bazatera u Rwanda, kandi nyamara amasezerano ya Washington ateganya yuko ibihugu byombi bigomba gukurikiza inzira y'amahoro, ubutegetsi bwa Congo bwatangiye kwihakana iyi nyandiko. Bwana Patrick Muyaya Katembwe, umuvugizi wa guverinoma ya Congo, yavuze ko iyi nyandiko ari fake, ngo ntabwo ari inyandiko y'ukuri. Nyamara amakuru yizewe atangazwa n'abategetsi muri Congo n'ibimenyesha amakuru byo muri Congo aremeza ko iyi nyandiko ari iya nyayo. Ni inyandiko iri authentique, ni inyandiko ya nyayo rwose y'ubutegetsi bwa Congo, ahubwo bisamye basandaye babona yuko batangije intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda, kandi nyamara barasinye ku masezerano ya Washington ateganya yuko amahoro agomba kugaruka mu buseruko bwa Congo, kandi u Rwanda na Congo ibibazo bigakemurwa mu mahoro. Ubutegetsi bwa Congo rero bwatangaje intambara, ndetse biragaragara yuko Congo irimo kwitegura intambara. Abigweza ibya politike barabona ko ubushotoranyi bwa Congo bwaba bugiye gutangira ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Mu minsi ishize ubwo u Rwanda rwizihizaga umunsi wo kwibohora, Perezida Kagame yavuze yuko abantu bose bagerageza guhungabanya umutekano w'u Rwanda bazabona ishyano. Perezida Kagame yavuze yuko u Rwanda rufite ubushobozi bwo kugenda ibirometero 2,000 bakajya kuzimya umuriro aho urimo guturuka. Perezida Kagame yaburiye ubutegetsi bwa Congo avuga yuko barimo gukina n'umuriro. Mu gihe rero ubutegetsi bwa Congo bukomeje gutangaza intambara ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda, ndabamenyesha ko imirwano ikomeye yo irimo kubica bigacika muri Kivu y'Amajyepfo. Minisitiri w'ingabo Guy Kabombo muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Congo yavuze yuko abasirikare benshi ba Congo barimo gucungera umujyi wa Uvira. Guy Kabombo yavuze ko FARDC iryamiye amajanja muri kariya gace, kandi Congo barimo kurwana n'umwanzi mu buryo bukomeye. Abarwanyi ba M23 barimo kurasana n'abasirikare b'u Burundi, ndetse amakuru arimo kongeraho muri kano kanya aremeza neza ko imirwano irimo guca ibintu. Abacancuro benshi bamaze kugera mu mujyi wa Uvira, ibintu birimo gutera ubwoba cyane abanyagihugu. Kuva mu gatondo k'irigenekerezo rya 7 hagaragaye imirongo miremire y'abaturage barimo kwerekeza mu bice bitarimo imirwano, aho barimo guhunga uyu mujyi wa Uvira, bigaragara yuko ugiye kuba isibaniro ry'imirwano.
Iyi ntambara mureba yabaye hariya cyangwa n'ubu ikiriho muri Congo, murayizi mwese, murayumva, buri wese niyo yaba afite uko ayumva. Kwe gutandukanye n'ukundi cyangwa n'ukwacu. Hari umwaka n'umwe wigeze ushira, umwaka wigeze ushira na rimwe tudasubiyemo ikibazo cy'interahamwe cya FDR riri hakurya hariya. Nibyo duhimba se, nibyo tubeshya se? Cyakabiri, hari na rimwe tutigeze tubwira abantu tunasubiramo ukuntu muri aka karere harimo ideology ijyanye na genocide, ijyanye n'ibyabaye hano mu Rwanda byo kwica abantu ukabicira icyo bari cyo. Hari ubwo tutabisobanuye, hari aho bitazwi ko byanditswe se, ko byanaganiriwe isi yose ikabiha n'umunsi ikabivuga, bigeraho bikarigita gusa bikazimira. Hari umunsi n'umwe tutigeze twamagana abayobozi muri aka karere bafata mikoro nk'iyi bakigisha abantu kwicana, kwicara abantu icyo ari cyo. Hari na rimwe tutigeze dusobanura amateka ajyanye n'ukuntu abantu bavuga ikinyarwanda bari hakurya y'imipaka y'u Rwanda nk'aba nyiri ibyo bihugu nyuma yo guca iyo mipaka. Bihuriye he n'u Rwanda? Twebwe u Rwanda ibibazo byabaye mbere y'uko mvuka cyangwa na nyuma nkivuka, byaba bite ibibazo nateye igihewe cyangwa undi ungana nanjye? bishoboka bite? Bishoboka bite kuvuga ngo ibyo tuvuga buri munsi bijyanye n'umutekano w'iki gihugu cyacu biragenda bigahinduka amabuye y'agaciro, biragenda bigahinduka ko u Rwanda rukoresha ibyo rukora bigera ku mipaka yacu na Congo cyane cyane n'abandi baturanyi, ariko bamwe bigize gukinisha ibyo by'interahamwe nabo, kandi rwose n'uyu munsi babimenye na kiriya gihe barabimenye, tuzahangana nabo. Izi ni ukwihangana. Abaturega ko dukoresha ibyo dukora kurinda abanyarwanda, kurinda igihugu cyacu, ko ari amabuye y'agaciro, nibo biba amabuye y'agaciro muri Congo. Ibi bihugu bikize byo hanze byirirwa bivuga ubusa. Erega narababwiye, iyo bari aho batinyisha abantu bakazana ibintu human rights, bakazana ngo barashaka gutera ubwoba, ngo Kagame navuga ngo bazamujyana, uzanjyana hese wowe? Wamvana he ko nza ubu bagatangira sanctions, James Kabarebe sanctions, officers sanctions for what? You are just foolish, absolutely foolish. Anybody dares ugatangira wahuye ugatanga lessons, little boy, little girl, kunuko bava mu Europe cyangwa America cyangwa Canada, uratanga lessons. What lessons? What lessons does anybody have to give to me about my life, about my country, about my people? That is absolute stupidity. We cannot be driven on that basis. If there is anybody who has not understood the message you have given them over the years, well, we are waiting to see what you do. In the recent months and so on, you see, again, the whole world was watching. Mercenaries came from Europe, then other confused brothers and sisters from our continent. They sent in arms, they sent in weapons, soldiers, they sent in everything to support a government that is killing its own people, that supports genociders, people who killed our people here. 1 million people we lost in 100 days were murdered by the same bastards. Of course, sometimes supported by these same people who give lessons. So they came and gathered along our border. If you people knew the stories of what was found in Goma, in Bukavu, and so on, you would understand it. you would understand that the issue was not about fighting so-called FCM-23, it was aimed at Rwanda. Boy, you ask them what happened. What happened was only a fraction of actually what we could do. The same people you've been seeing after making sure that they can not to do any harm to us, and they gave up, we gave them passage through here to go back home. We gave them passage. We gave them security. We made sure they went back home. But they could have perished if they really put up a fight. There's no question about it. I'm saying it now, and for tomorrow, if anybody attempts, you will see it. I'm not bragging. I'm not doing anything. I'm just saying the truth to whoever wants to listen. If you have other ideas, then we shall sort it out. This is why I said it happened to us once, and once is too many. It will not happen again. You used to hear people saying, oh, they have power, they have capacity, they have everything they need to even threaten this capital where all of us are now, from a distance. We told them, we may not have that capacity ourselves. We will find you there. We have the capacity, you don't know. We can walk 2,000 kilometers from here, fighting if and when we have to fight. The rest are just stories. These people who tell you nonsense, that they have drones, they have what, they will come and attack Rwanda, we will find you where you are launching those drones from. So, but we have said this many times before, and it was simply saying, please, there is no need to attack us, there is no need to threaten us. We don't threaten you. We don't wish you anything bad. Just, if you can't cooperate with us, leave us alone, please. If you don't want us to work together, leave us alone. Those who say they will not give us their money, yes, it is your money. Give it to whoever you want. Take it away and give it to whoever you want. Do we need the money? Absolutely. Because some of it we get from those who become partners one day, and another day there's something else. Yes, that money when it comes, I assure you, you will not find a place that puts that money to good use more than we do. That is all you can ask me. You are right to come and ask me, where did you put our money? I will show you. I will show you where we put your money. I will show you the roads. I will show you the hospitals. I will show you the schools. I will show you everything where we put your money. But when it is to give me your money, purportedly for a good cause, and you follow your money and put a finger, I will tell you something you don't want to hear. Now, I've said enough of this. Only enough in saying it. But I'm saying it for a purpose. I'm saying it for you Rwandans, the young and old, to make sure this has a meaning to you. And you also have something to contribute towards that fight. It's a fight that you should be proud of. You are not a bunch of sheep that must be herded to a slaughterhouse. But there are some unfortunate Africans who have accepted the fate. I don't accept it. You shouldn't accept it. You should never accept it. When the number of people who sacrificed everything stood up and fought on this journey that we remember this time around, they could have easily done other things. But their name, their dignity, their country, their self-respect, even for those who don't respect them, to just know. They gave everything they had, and those were their lives. If there are a bunch of people who sit and somewhere and find this all right, you Rwandans, I've gone into these details to just bring to you directly that you should never be the ones to accept this nonsense. Anyway, why should people fear giving it a fight? You fear death? You fear to be killed? No, but you're only killed slowly and surely, and, as naked as you were born, and you go to your grave. Well, I would rather go to my grave giving it a fight. Is there anyone who will not find their ticket to that grave. There is not a single individual, human beings, the rest, all of us. So how I go there matters. What you do, how you live, the life you live, whether short or long, matters. And for you to allow a fellow human being to treat you like nobody, like no value, why? Why would you accept it? Why can't you get this message over the 31 years we've been here fighting every day? Why? The only language you should understand is cooperation. Cooperate, work together. And we hold ourselves accountable. Or we hold each other accountable in our relationship. But for you, over me, wagging a finger to me, I will break it. Just that thing alone, you know. Some people think being in this position or having gone through this struggle and endured all kinds of hardships is very difficult. And some people feel sympathetic. Please, just know, you don't have to feel sympathetic. I'm just proud of having been part of this journey. Period. In fact, I even sometimes get confused. I ask myself, I said, if I hadn't got this opportunity, to be there and giving everything a good fight whenever that is required, how else would I have lived my life? I'm asking myself every day, how else, what else could have given me the satisfaction, the pride, you know, looking somebody in the eyes and say, you know what? You are like me. You're just human beings. You're not above me. You can't. You want us to sit down and have a discussion? Absolutely. But to trample on me, and later on a nation, I'm happy to have not lived in that world that accepts it. So, today, 31 years on, it's not just that we remove the killers and we to cover. No, we are not just new people in our thinking, in our existence. We are new people because we have changed things and towards what they should be. So don't let no one be allowed to take us back years in history. Because then those who believe in God, what will you tell God? That where were you? Where were you when you allowed thugs to take over a country and run it down and kill people? Well, I'm challenging those who believe in those things. I will not tell you which side I'm on, but I think those who believe in this accountability after life, you should really make sure you do the right things like these ones I'm talking about, so that when you are there and you are being asked to account. For me, I'm prepared with my notes in my pocket. When they say, hey, what did you do? I say, sir. This is what I did. I apologize for my shortcomings, but I think largely there is something I will show for it. So please, be happy tonight. Remember this whole journey. Remember your responsibilities individually and collectively, and do yourselves and your nation proud. So, God bless you all.